Ketenat Forest and Environment ke Sorkar Jilla hakakat atarik risau arajar arpuar ringkat ke jing temu ban pynneh iki khlaw ki betap bat ki mrad ki mereng kala pynlong ke jing lang ke badai sipenta jong ke Wildlife Week arajar arpuar ha Lady Hydri Park Shillong ya ke bala tip menta kum ke pynlong laj park. Hakani ke jing lang la sam kusnam sekiriu pat ba ki bala don keti ban plat em ya ki mrad khlaw ya ki nong sumar mrad hakani ke park bat ya ki nong trei. La pelat ru ka kot halor ki klau kentang jong ke Meghalaya Volume 2 ya ka online portal ban ujor ki jing pen khen an ki badai bat ki marat klau kum ju ya ka kot link drop halor ka jing don ki judge sim ba pair han nong khalam bat ki wei na lor menteri ketenat Forest and Environment ka Sorkar Jilla u James ke sangma kum u kongsan ki wei ki balai don lang ki kentup yo RS Gill IFS Chief Conservator Ketenat Forest upa SM Sahai IFS Chief Wildlife Warden ke Jilla upa BK Lingwa IFS Principal Chief Conservator Nalor Kiweipat.
Our forests. And when we talk about management of forests, it's about prevention of poaching, prevention of illegal smuggling of timber, looking at how we can prevent forest fires, how we can mitigate the effects of forest fires, and so many other things that we could do through integrating technology into our conservation efforts. And this, I'm happy to say, is currently under process. We have taken this up in a very serious manner, and very soon we will be able to make sure that this project, the Integrated Command and Control Center, sees the light of day. And I think it will play a very, very important role in augmenting whatever efforts are being put in by our department.